Welcome to the International Space Station, or ISS, humanity's home in low Earth orbit. It's a marvel of engineering, a hub of scientific innovation, and perhaps one of the few places where time itself behaves differently. Today, we're diving into life aboard the ISS and exploring an incredible phenomenon: time travel in space. The ISS orbits Earth at an altitude of approximately 420 kilometers, about 260 miles, and travels at a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, 17,500 miles per hour. This means it circles the planet roughly once every 90 minutes. Imagine watching 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every single day. Living on the ISS is like living in a laboratory zooming around Earth. We conduct experiments, maintain the station, and even grow plants, all while floating in microgravity. But there's something even more fascinating about the ISS than the science experiments or the breathtaking views. Its incredible speed makes it a perfect example of Einstein's theory of relativity in action. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time isn't a fixed concept. It's flexible, and it changes depending on speed and gravity. The faster you move or the stronger the gravitational field you're in, the slower time flows for you compared to someone in a different frame of reference. This phenomenon is called time dilation. For astronauts aboard the ISS, time moves slightly slower than it does for people on Earth because of the station's high velocity. This effect is tiny but measurable. Over 6 months, an astronaut might age a few milliseconds less than someone on the ground. It's like a very mild form of time travel into the future. While the effect is minimal for the ISS, it's a stepping stone for understanding how time dilation could impact space travel to distant planets or even interstellar journeys. Time dilation may be subtle, but life aboard the ISS is anything but ordinary. Astronauts live and work in a microgravity environment that affects their bodies and daily routines. Even simple tasks like eating or brushing your teeth require adjustments in zero gravity. Food comes in packets, and liquids form into floating blobs. Astronauts also follow a strict schedule to maintain their health. They exercise for at least 2 hours a day to counteract muscle and bone loss caused by the lack of gravity. Sleeping is another challenge. With no up or down, astronauts strap themselves into sleeping bags to avoid floating around. Despite the challenges, the ISS offers a unique perspective on our planet and the universe. Astronauts often describe the overview effect, a profound sense of connection and responsibility for Earth after witnessing its beauty from space. The time dilation experienced on the ISS is just the beginning. As humanity sets its sights on deeper space exploration, the effects of relativity become even more pronounced. If a spacecraft could travel at a significant fraction of the speed of light, its crew would experience time much slower compared to people on Earth. This means an astronaut on such a journey could return to find that decades or even centuries have passed back home. The concept of time dilation could make interstellar travel a one-way journey through time. However, it also opens up possibilities for exploring distant galaxies and advancing our understanding of the universe. Beyond speed, other phenomena like gravitational time dilation, caused by massive celestial objects, could also play a role in space-time travel. These concepts are more than science fiction. They're rooted in physics and could shape the future of humanity's journey into the stars. As we dream of interstellar travel and time-bending adventures, it's important to appreciate the foundation we're building today. The ISS has been a symbol of international collaboration and a springboard for scientific discovery. The ISS isn't just a lab in space. It's a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. It's paving the way for the next generation of explorers. Whether it's studying time dilation, developing new technologies, or inspiring a global audience, the ISS reminds us that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Life on the ISS offers a glimpse into the extraordinary possibilities of space exploration. From adapting to life in microgravity to experiencing time travel on a small scale, every moment aboard the station is a step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. So, while the ISS may orbit our planet today, it's also guiding humanity toward a future beyond the stars.